Hey man, it's no-dough time.
Oh yeah, we're halfway there.
The 2025 No-Dough Weekend VW show out in Port Orange, Florida. It's 3 days, April 4th, 5th, and 6th. Today's the 4th, and it's about 12 o'clock. We're running a little behind.
As usual.
Chaka, the 84 Vanagon. Mama Buggin driving the Volkswagen 2.0 with Allie's Bug behind it. And then he's driving the 79 fuel-injected Carmen convertible Super Beetle we put a video out on.
That's for sale.
Yes.
It's not already gone by the time you see this video.
We're gonna drop off some stuff at the Nova Family Campground, and then we're gonna go down to Daytona Aircooled Parts.
Oh yeah, kick off our weekend, no-dough style.
Yep, so see y'all there. Pulling up to Nova Family Campgrounds, ready to get no-dough on. About to pull up to Daytona Aircooled Parts. What's up, man?
Mexican standoff, huh?
Took down by a woman with a heart of coal. Shook down, Delta lady, won't you free my soul? Send me back to Caroline.
Going to the campground.
Just bugging.
Just bugging in the house.
See ya.
Lord, we couldn't close our eyes. It was a hard summer night. Lord, we couldn't close our eyes. An old woman's shout gave us a fright. She said Willie didn't come back home last night. No. No. Willie used to hang out in the hood. Are we doing this right now? Oh yeah. They told him if he did this job tonight, it'd be a man, it'd be all right.
All right, guys, We're headed to Nova.
His only sin was trying to belong. But that now it all went wrong.
So I hear you're gonna get this running?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it running tonight.
Well guys, we're leaving Nova Family Campground. We went there to just relax for a little bit and then also drop off that motor for Michael. Now we're going to, probably gonna pronounce it wrong, but INCAS. It's right around the corner where the Tomoka Brewery used to be, and then Persimmon. We're gonna check it out and see what they got. Hey! What's up, man? Got Taylor from Ormond Beach Barber.
Was good.
Hell yeah, jump on.
But I thought he was just alright.
Hey, that's Dana. You got Dana here.
What's going on, buddy boy?
Yeah, man. Got Turkish
A little bit of
Mafia.
swag, a little bit of swag. Little Turkish Mafia sticker. Well, you know, it's everywhere. On the shoes, a hat, you know.
Hell yeah.
You gotta represent the brand.
That'll look sweet on Allie's bug. Alright, what you got? What you got here, man? Tell me about it. What year?
64 barn find, original paint, Turkish 11 window walkthrough. Parked in 1971, so it was on the road for 7 years.
Damn.
Until we found it in a barn. I don't know, can you see this on video here?
Yeah.
This is how it was found.
Look at that.
In that barn. Old pop-top beer cans, all that stuff. So I've owned it for 4 years, placed the entire bottom 6 inches of it was completely rotted.
Check that out.
And blended in the paint on the bottom.
Nice,
It's
nice.
pretty decent if I do say so myself.
Yeah, it does. Got some patina going on.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, hell yeah.
She's good from far, but far from good. One of those deals. But the interior looks like it should be prettier on the outside, honestly.
Ooh. That's clean. Got the suitcase with the speakers in it. Dude, beautiful.
Safari's welded in those, but everything else, this was a time capsule bus. It had everything down to the tool pouch, down to silly little stuff you'd never see on these buses. It had a governor on it. Like it was completely untouched. It was only on the road for 7 years.
Wow.
Just rusted. So I've had it for 4 years, had all the metal work done, and finally got all new mechanicals underneath it in the last 6 months or so, and this is its maiden voyage. It hadn't moved under its own power until 24 hours ago. Now it's at the show on the other side of the state.
That's what Nodo's all about. Just
Yeah.
get it out here, man. Have a good time.
I expect it's gonna break at some point this weekend. You never, you know, that's just how it goes.
It's just a VW thing.
There's enough people around here to help me with a tow, I'm sure.
Exactly. That's
So.
the cool thing about it. Everybody's there to help. So you said this is original.
Original kick panels, original side panels, original side of the headliner. Top of the headliner got eaten out by mice. Even back here, the original,
Oh, the pad.
that guy,
Yeah.
original pad.
Nice new cover.
Yeah, that is new. Anything of this material
Yes.
the mice ate, but they didn't like this stuff, thank God. So
Man, this thing's nice. Look at that seat. Looks comfy. He said every time he's sitting on it, it's just blowing all the original stuff out.
yeah, sooner or later, it's just gonna be me in the springs. But
Yeah.
original belts, all the wiring harness, everything was completely intact and uncut. Right when I first got it, I hooked a good 6-volt battery to it. The whole bus lit up. Headlights, turn signals,
like,
dome
thank
lights,
you.
everything worked. It's like, oh my God, at least from that standpoint, this thing's gonna be easy.
That's
so,
awesome.
12-volt now.
That's awesome. I'll pop up before pictures so y'all can see it, but this thing is just too thin. So glad to see you here, man.
Cheers, Dalton.
Sweet. Thanks, man. Check out Turkish Mafia.
Yes, he did. But I thought he was alright. But it's sad, I'm sad to tell you, Willie didn't come back home last night. Well,
Hey, man, we're here at, how do you say it?
I don't know.
INCAS? I don't know. It seems like every year we don't know how to say persimmon or
Yeah, we went through that, and then we had to pronounce Giuseppe's.
Giuseppe's. Yeah, we just don't know how to
I
pronounce
think we have
things.
vocabulary
Yeah, I
problems.
think we need to go to English
We
class.
need to go back.
Yeah.
Maybe call it, instead of Ebonics, is VDUBs.
Anyways, we're here at, I guess, INCAS360. It's a restaurant. As you see, there's tons of Volkswagens here. Everybody's having a good old time. We had a great time at DACP, hanging with Charlie and John Moe. We're gonna go check out, what food and drinks they got. And Allie is on her way from Green Cove, so
Oh yeah.
we're ready to have a good time.
And then she gets to get with her green bug.
Yes, and she
From
actually
Green
get to
Cove.
hear all these people's compliments they've been giving about her bug. Everybody seems to love it.
Everybody's bug would look that good if you only pull that out 3 times in 5 years.
That is. Okay, we'll stop.
Cover on it.
We're sorry, Allie.
You're gonna have to delete
But
that.
we're gonna go get some food. See y'all there.
When I saw my woman kiss another man, said I know, no baby, no not again. Another loss of love, another broken heart. I ain't got no love alone, the blues again. Hey, hey, hear what I say, ain't got me no love. Well, it's happened 2 or 3 or 4 times before. You think it wouldn't even mess with a woman no more. But I love how it feels, I know those tender arms. Ain't got no love alone, the blues again. Hey, hey, hear what I say, ain't got me no love.
had a great time at
INCAS360.
As you see, Allie's here now, and we're gonna head back to the campsite, and we're gonna get ready for maybe a fire or to go to bed.
So I guess I go home alone again tonight, and I'll cry till I feel alright. I get my mojo working once more. I got the ain't got no love alone the blues again. Hey, hear what I say, ain't got me no love. Sometimes I like to be by myself, but I don't like to put my love on the shelf. But sometimes love hurts, it sure is fun. I got the ain't got no love alone the blues on the run. Hey, hear what I say, ain't got me no love. Hey, hear what I say, ain't got me no love. Hey, hear what I say, I'm alone again.